Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a moving average on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators. Click on it, go to the search bar and type moving average. And choose this one, moving average simple. Click on it. And now, as you can see, this is our moving average. Let's say, for example, you want a 20 moving average. So all you have to do is click on it here and click on the gear icon. Go to input and we have here length, change it to 20. Okay. Now click on OK here. As you can see, this is our 20 moving average. Now let's say, for example, you want to change the color of the moving average. Again, click on the gear icon. Now go to style. And we have here blue, as you can see. Click on it. And you can choose any color you want. So let's choose, for example, this one, red. As you can see, the color has been changed. Now we have here the thickness of the moving average. You can change it also from here. As you can see, we have also the line type. You can also change it if you want from here. For me, I will keep this one. And now just click on OK or just close it. As you can see, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.